Let's dive into the proof that the clique problem is NP-complete. Now there's two parts to the proof. The first thing we have to prove is that the clique problem lies in the class NP. As usual, this is quite straightforward. So consider an input to the clique problem, a graph G and a goal little g, and consider a proposed solution S. Now we have to verify in polynomial time that S is a solution, is a clique of size at least G. To verify that S is a clique, we consider all pairs of vertices in S, and we check that that pair of vertices, X and Y, are connected by an edge in the input graph G. Now how long does this take us to do? Well, it takes us at most order n squared time to consider each pair, and then for each particular pair, it takes us at most order n time to check whether they're connected by an edge. So this takes at most order n cubed time by a trivial algorithm. Now that's sufficient for this proof since we just have to show polynomial time. But if you give a little bit of thought, you can easily do it in order n squared time as well. That verifies that S is a clique. Now we have to verify that the size of S is at least little g. That takes us order n time, and therefore it takes us polynomial time to verify that S is a solution to the clique problem on this input instance. That establishes that the clique problem lies in the class NP. It's a search problem. We can verify solutions in polynomial time. The second step we have to show is that clique problem is at least as hard as every problem in the class NP. How do we do that? Well, we take a known NP-complete problem and we show a reduction from the known NP-complete problem to the clique problem. Which problems do we know are NP-complete? We know the SAT problem is NP-complete, 3-SAT is NP-complete, and independent set problem is NP-complete. We're going to take one of these. Which one are we going to take? We're going to take the one which is most similar to the clique problem. Clique is a graph problem, so we'll take the independent set problem, which is also a graph problem. So we'll show that the independent set problem reduces to the clique problem.